Hello everyone, this is Wilson. Welcome back to my 1 minute presentation. In this week, I will have a chance to work on some electronic stuff. So I've learned how to read 4 bands to 6 bands resistors. So in this presentation, I will teach you guys how to read a 4 bands resistors. So let's get started. So in a resistor here, you can see there will have 4 bands. So usually a 4 bands resistor will have 4 bands. So the first 3 bands will give you the resistor values, and the last bands will tell you the tolerance level of a resistance. So how to read a resistor? So the first thing you have to know is the reading direction of a resistor. So usually you will see 4 bands in a 4 bands. You must see 4 bands in a 4 bands resistor. So you will see the first 3 bands will printed or drawn close together. So these 3 bands will give you the resistor value. So the last bands usually will separate from the first 3 bands. So the 4th band is talk about the tolerance level of a resistor. So the reading direction is from reading the digits. So we read the first bands first, and then we will read the tolerance level, which is the last band. So what is the resistor value and the tolerance values of these given resistor? So the first band will tell us the first band will tell us the first digit of the resistor value. So if the first row is red, that means the first digit is 2. So the first band means the first unit of the resistor is 2. And then the second band will give you the other digit of the resistor. So this time we will have a purple band. So that means we will have a digit of 7. So after reading the first 2 bands, it will give you the digits. So the third row will give you the multiplier of the digits. So in this case, we will have a green. That means we will have a 10 to a power 5 multiplier. That means we will have to times 10 to the power 5, and then it will give us the resistor value, which is 2.7 mega ohm. So this resistor we will have a 2.7 mega ohm resistance value. So what is the tolerance level of this resistor? So we will have a growth band at last. So we will have a plus and minus 5% tolerance level. So plus and minus 5%. So this is how you read a resistor. This is how you read a 4th band resistor. So I will give another example of how to read a 4th band resistor. So this resistor I extracted from the internet. So before I'm telling you how to read this, how to do this example, I would say this table I'm missing something. So the tolerance level for a green band is plus and minus 0.5%. So this graph is missing this value. So if I don't give you this value, you can't read this resistance. So if this table cannot contain enough information for you to read a resistance, you can try to Google it. It will have a better tables that you can follow. So how to read this resistors? So the first 2 rows is blue. That means the digits of the first 2 rows is 66, because blue is equals to 6. So the first row is 6, the second row is also 6. So we will have a blind blends in the third row, so we have to times 10 to the power 1 as the multiplier. So after multiplying all the things, we will get 660 ohm. So that means this resistor will have a 660 ohm resisting value, and then the tolerance level of this resistor is plus and minus 0.5%, because we will have a green band, so green colors will have a plus and minus 0.5% tolerance level. How to next page. Then I can't go to the next page, which is a thank you page. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you.